Thanks for choosing industryrecycles.com. Here today we got a Rivet King. Sorry about the low light. Got it hooked up to air here. Let's see if I can't give you a little demo. You can hear the seals sealing themselves, I should say. You can hear the plunger going back and forth. We don't have any rivets for this, but it seems to be operating as it should. You can see it's got a little recoil from the air there. But it appears to be lightly used. So you'll see more specs and photos in the listing. Alright, thanks for checking it out, guys. Industry Recycles.